Hey guys, Marley Mar here. Welcome to my channel. We're gonna open the Game Pass on my Samsung Mobile. It is a non-5G phone, but you could also use it on any Android as well as iOS soon. Not yet, but soon maybe. Who knows? Depends on Apple and the whole situation going on there, but I am gonna play Gears of War 5. Actually, now that I have a remote, I'm gonna play 4. Why can't I play? I can't touch the screen. What's going on? Oh, it's because the remote's on. Oh, because the remote's in. Look at that. And look at that. Oh, I was touching the screen, so I guess it doesn't work both ways. You know what? I'll finish this up. Since I started yesterday, I want to jump over. No, I don't want to install Game Pass. Where's Game Pass? Come on. Cloud. There you go. Play. So I played Gears of War 3 and started to play 5 without a control touchscreen, because apparently when I played 4 I couldn't play because I didn't have a control, so I needed the Bluetooth controller and or the Razer Kishi, which is like basically having your phone right in the middle of the supposed Xbox controller or Mimic. I'm not even speaking right, guys, sorry. And again, this is not a 5G phone, but it tends to fix itself, I think. Do I have too many windows open? Is that why? Maybe I should close all these windows. No. Let's do this. So we do this. Hold on. Nothing else connected. Let's do this. And take this off, take this off, take this off, take that. There you go. And now we're good. Loading again. And I'll play a little bit. I left off at the checkpoint yesterday where I don't even remember where, but yeah, but I'm getting not a good signal right here. I hope when it records it does, but I don't know. Oh god, this is terrible. There it goes. Maybe refreshing. I can't see anything. Jesus. Really? I'm not doing good right now. It's not good, not good. Yeah, I can't.
Main menu. Campaign. Enter the campaign alone, though you can invite a friend to your campaign later. Campaign. A. Button. Select. Player 2. Online. 12. Beast 1791. CH3XY. Main menu.
Holy.
Store. Get. Winter Swarm Drone. News. Gears 5 weekly update. Entering boot camp. Boot camp will take you. Main menu. Store. Get. Winter Swarm Drone. News. Gears 5 weekly update. Boot camp. Volunteer for multiplayer. New weekly items. Store. New essential characters. New weekly items. News. New essential characters. Versus. Competitive multiplayer with up to 9 other players. Versus. A. Button. Select. Menu button. Quick action menu. Left trigger. Social. Right trigger. My tour. DJ Mar versus. Recruits. Play with other recruits in a newcomer-friendly list of versus mode. Arms race recruits.
Recruits.
Squad member. Recruits.
I
Match created.
See anything. I can't see anything.
Loading map. DJ Marlamar. Level 9. Boost 17 days.
Level
Point amount
9.
4,600. Iron amount 0. Recruits, load recruits, synchronizing connection.
Uh-oh.
One down.
I can't even see
Swarm elite drone asterisk, ping, 0, eliminations, 4, downs, 1, revives, 0.
Come on, fix yourself some. Oh my god. Why? It's not good. It's terrible, man. Does it restart my modem or something? I seem to use my mobile data. Uh-oh. I lost it. Maybe if I could use my mobile data. Oh. Okay. Can I?
You're done. Come here, you shit.
Jesus Christ. Oh no, Microsoft. I'm gonna upload this because this is terrible. Come on, why you guys letting me down? Samsung, Xbox, Microsoft. I can't see. Come on, Gates. Where's my game? I can't play right now. This is running on mobile data, but still. This is terrible. This is horrible.
You don't look so good.
Yeah! I see something. Smudges. Oh, man. I'm seeing red. There you are. Oh! I can't even see. I'm running. I'm running away. I can see myself in at least. I think. Quite kind of